Welcome to online classes organized by Chatpur Polytechnic Institute for the student of session 2021. I am Rabiul, Junior Instructor, Non-Tech English. I will take the subject name English, code 65712. English 65712. This subject total marks 100. It is true credit subject. This is total marks 100. Continuous assessment 40. Final exam 60. Total. This subject is total marks 100. That is continuous assessment 40. Continuous assessment means class test, quiz test, attendance, and midterm number. Final exam, that is 40. Final exam, this is total marks 60. So the total marks 100. Lecture 1, this is dealing with introduction of syllabus and types of questions. Topics: introduction of syllabus and types of questions. In every subject, whether it is English, Bengali, physics, chemistry, math, or any technical subject, in every question paper there are three parts: part A, part B, and part C. You answer all the questions from part A and part B, and only option in part C. Part A, English, part A regarding scene comprehension, total marks 20. Here you have to read some passages for the textbook for the classes 11-12 prescribed by NTCB. NTCB means National Test Curriculum Book Board, Dhaka. What are the items you have to deal here? Now I am writing. Number 1, multiple choice question. Number 2, true, false. Number 3, link gaps. Number 4, short question. And number 5, summarizing. This is if comprehension means what you understand reading the passage. Comprehension means in your own conception, your own understanding, what you understand reading the passage. Okay, by reading this passage you have to answer such type of questions, multiple choice question. That is means one more option, you have to choose the right option. True, false. If true, you write true. If false, you have to write the correct answer. Number 3, that is filling gaps. You have to fill the blanks with the right information from the passage, not out of the passage. Okay, number 4, that is short questions. That some questions regarding the passage. You have to answer these questions with the information of the passage, not out of the passage. Number 5, that is summarizing. You have to write the main idea or sum and substance of the passage just within 5 sentences, not more than 5 sentences. So this is the items you have to deal with in sync comprehension for total marks 20. Now I go part B. Part B. This is grammatical. This is grammatical part. Total marks 20. Part B, it is a grammatical questions. It is a grammatical question. You have to answer all the questions. What are the items you have to start here and write? Number 1, tense. Number 2, write form of verbs. Number 3, classification of verbs. Number 4, articles. Number 5, voice. Number 6, narration. 7, transformation of sentences. Number 8, synonyms, antonyms. Number 9, suffix, prefix. Number 10, analysis of sentences. Number 11, WH question, 10 question. Number 12, parts of speech. This is part B regarding grammatical items. What are the items you have to deal here? Tense, right form of verbs, classification of verbs, articles, voice, narration, transformation of sentences, synonym, antonyms, suffix, prefix, analysis of sentences, WH question, tag questions, and part of speech. This is a very huge syllabus. You have to run here very rapidly. Tense is called the mother of English. Without the knowledge of tense, you can't write a single sentence correctly. So you have to have a good sound knowledge about the function and uses of tense. Right form of verbs is also, you have to have the knowledge. That is the right form of verbs. Classification of verbs. There are huge kinds of verbs. You have to have the sound knowledge of the verbs, because without the knowledge of verbs you can't write a sentence. No sentence is possible without verbs. Articles A and D. You have to have the uses of A and D and no article. This is a huge rules you have to deal here. Voice. This is also some rules and exceptional rules. you have to do here. Narration also based on 5 kind of sentences, that is assertive, interrogative, operative, imperative and exclamatory. And it is mentionable that your SSC level you study the passage narration. Here not passage narration, here the separate narration or detached narration. This is detached narration. You have to change narrations just within sentences, not passage narration. Transformation of sentences, this is a huge and complex item also. Transformation sentences mean assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative and exclamatory, simple, complex, compound and positive, comparative and superlative. This is one kind to another change. This is a very huge item. Synonym and antonym. Synonyms means the similar word and antonym means the opposite word. Synonym means similar word, antonym opposite word. It's a vocabulary. It's a matter of practice. You have to practice day by day to acquire synonym and antonym. Suffix, prefix. This is also an important item. Suffix in Bengali, that is protyay, and prefix, that means upasarga. What's the function? What's their function? Their function to create new words with new meaning. Create new word with new meaning. There are so many suffix and prefix, namely ity, pty, c, meant, az, nes, such on. When they use before a word, this is called prefix. When they use or placed afterward, this is called suffix. Analysis of sentences, it is a very difficult item also. You have to analyze or cut or separate the sentences part to part. This is called analysis of sentence. In order to analyze the sentence, you have to have the whole knowledge of the grammar. Or WH questions and tag questions. WH questions, what, which, how, whom, when, why, whose, such are called WH questions. They are used to ask questions. And tag question, it is a very simple item in English. In your SSC level, you already done it. Part of speech. This is called the backbone or spine of English. Without the knowledge of part of speech, you can't learn English better. In order to learn English better, you must have a sound. You must have a sound knowledge and must have a sound knowledge of the function of the part of speech. How many kinds of part of speech? That is 8 kinds. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. You must have the function and usage of the part of speech. This is the total item of part B. Now I go to part C. Part C. This is free writing. Marks 20. This is free writing. But you have to write yourself all the items from your free hand writing. There is no part of memorizing. Here there is no part of memorizing or something else. You have to write here freely. That sense, this portion is called free writing. What are the items you have to deal here? Number 1, writing, dialogue. Number 2, formal letter. Number 3, informal letter. Number 4, job letter. Number 5, report writing. Number 6, letter to print media. Number 7, joining letter. Number 8, appointment letter. Number 9, notice. Number 10, answering paragraph. These are the items we have to deal here. That is number 1, writing dialogue. Dialogue means conversation between two persons on any topics. Formal letter, this is another name, official letter. It is written following some specific rules. It is written some specific rules. Informal letter, there is no rules. It is here you can write freely on your own accord. Job letter, it is related to jobs. That is report writing. It's written on any occasion, on any incidents. Letter to print media, it is written in the newspaper. Joining letter, that is it is related to job, when you join in a job. Appointment letter, it issued by an office when you got job. Notice. Notice is any announcements of the office or any organization. Answering paragraph. This is, you have to answer some questions in a question paper in a paragraph. This is called answering paragraph. So this is the total item of part C. Total marks 20. Here you can get option, only one option. But part A and part B there is no option. So this is the total syllabus of English 65712. Topic: stay home, follow the rules of health, avoiding COVID-19. Thank you very much. See you next class. Allah bless you.